Hi guys, welcome to this video where we'll explore Join Ribbon in Alteryx Designer, focusing on the key tools for combining and merging datasets. These tools are essential when working with multiple data sources. The Join Ribbon in Alteryx contains powerful tools that allows you to combine and match datasets, from simple joins to more complex matches. Let's explore the keynotes available in this section. First tool that we'll discuss is Join tool. Join tool is used to merge two datasets based on a common field. It gives you three outputs: the records that matched in both the datasets, the records that exist only in one or the other file. Here, as you can see, we have two different files, a customer master and a purchase file. If we want to join these two files, we can join it based on the customer ID. That is what we have selected in the configuration pane. Left and right, we have selected customer ID. The output will be divided into three different parts: L, J and R. L part shows the records present only in the left file. R part shows the records present only in the right file. And J part shows records present in both the files. Next tool that we'll discuss is Union tool. Union tool stacks datasets together. This is useful when you have multiple datasets with the same structure and you want to combine them row by row. Union tool is perfect for situations where you have data from different sources that needs to be appended together. So as you can see over here, we have a file, and similar we have file with the same format but having different records. If we want to append these two files, we can use Union node. What Union node will do is, so in Union node again we have multiple options. We can configure it based on name, position or manually. So as the file structure is already same, we can directly take configure by name. So what it will do is, it will append second row, second files, all the records to first file below it. Next tool that we have is find and replace. Find and replace tool is useful for updating or enriching your dataset. It searches for values in one dataset and replaces or appends from the another dataset. It is kind of VLOOKUP in Excel. So once you click on the node, you'll get this configuration pane where we have options for finding it. We can select that we need to find only in the beginning of the field, any part of the field or the entire field, and then we can select which field we want to find it in and which is the value that we want to find. Then we have other options like case sensitive or match whole word only. Then this is the finding part, and then we can select the replace part. In replace part, as I mentioned before, we can select value to be replaced or value to be appended. If we select value to be appended, then based on the find or the match that from these two fields, it will append the records into a new column. Next tool that we have is Join Multiple. Join Multiple tool allows you to combine three or more datasets based on a common field. This is great for complex workflows where multiple data sources needs to be merged into a single output. As you can see, we have multiple inputs present over here. Similar to the configure of join tool, we can select fields based on which we need to join two or more files, and the output will be merged together. Next tool is fuzzy match. Fuzzy match is ideal when you need to match records that aren't exact but are close. This is helpful for combining data where there may be slight difference in spelling or formatting. Basically, what it does is, we can select the field and then we can see if there is any match case. So we have many match styles as well. We can select based on address, address part, company name, custom or exact match. In this case, if we select exact match, then it will work like a join node only, since join node matches exact term. Next tool that we have is Append Fields. The Append Fields tools allows you to join one dataset to every record of the another dataset. It's especially useful for adding reference data or metadata to the dataset. For example, if you'll see over here, we have a database. And in this, if suppose we want to make this database repeated for all the customer segments present over here, we can use this node. So in this node, we have two inputs, target and source, based on which it will append all the records to the target. That's a quick overview of Alteryx join tuple and its main nodes, including join, union, find replace, fuzzy match, and append fields tools. These tools are crucial for merging and organizing datasets from various sources. Stay tuned for more videos on other key features of Alteryx. Thanks for watching.